the excess water. My hair is also in sections, which will make it a lot easier to blow dry. I will do 1 or 2 sections so you would see how I go about doing this. I have here with me my Kenra Platinum blow drying spray, and I will spritz this on my hair prior to getting the heat on. I have 2 detangling brushes. I have my Kareco detangling brush. I also have my Denman brush that I will be using to help my hair get stretched, because I am using a very old blow dryer. My blow dryer is about maybe 5 years old. I have made several attempts to purchase a new one, but was not particularly in a rush, simply because I do not blow dry my hair that often. If I do blow dry my hair, it's probably once or twice a year. So the need for me to go out and purchase the item is not really that necessary. If I was doing this several times, then I could understand why I would want to go about and do that. Without saying any more or rambling, I'll just jump right into it. So this is my Conair Pro blow dryer. I have lost the attachment. That's why I'm going to be using a brush to stretch my hair out. I am going to blow dry on low air and cool air. And the reason for blow drying on low and cool air is to prevent heat damage. Typically, most persons, you blow dry your hair on blast and on super hot. Yes, that speeds up the process, but in order to keep your hair from being heat damaged, the best way to go about doing this is to do it on warm, on cool and low heat. So I'm gonna go about putting that on the first gauge, which is 1, and low.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away.
wrapped up blow drying my hair and I spin them in a bantu knot. I am going to be adding some oil to my hand. I also passed a little bit on my scalp to prevent my scalp from drying out. And the nourishing oil that I'm going to be using is by Living Proof. It is a nourishing oil. It stops frizz and adds a healthy shine. It is also very, very lightweight. So I'm just going to add a little bit to my hand and pass that over my hair. Here you can see I have some nice waves by simply putting my hair into a bantu knot. And this is my hair completely blown out. Gorgeous. I'll turn around so you can see the back of my hair. And that is pretty much how I will keep my hair out of the way for the night. I will either put it back in bantu knots or I will wrap my hair. But there you have it. My hair is completely blown out. And my hair will pretty much stay straight until my next wash day. Once I wash my hair again, it will completely revert back to the kinky state. Now that the weather is getting a little cooler, it will be a lot easier to maintain my hair straight. But am I necessarily going to do that? I don't know. Like I say, I don't blow dry my hair that often, and when I do, it takes a hot minute. So tell me what you think. Tell me if you like how my hair looks once it has been blown out. It is very voluminous and it is very light. It's not heavy because I haven't added any oil to it other than my blow drying spray by Kenra Platinum, and to add a little bit of a sheen, my Living Proof Nourishing Oil. And that is how I will be rocking my hair today. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you do like it. If you want to see more of this content, be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.